final product isn't quite where we want it to be, we certainly learned a lot.
We only serve at parties, hence the name Epic Dope Party Cupcakes.
Yep.
So, like kids' birthday parties, adult birthday parties, senior citizen birthday parties, any party of some sort we serve there, like exclusively though, so not like retail stores. I usually come up with more of the ideas.
Yeah. We like to keep it organized, always never just have one person sitting around, we're always working on different things.
It's just trying something new for me.
Yeah.
I've never baked before and I thought it would be kind of lame, but he got me into it and it's really fun.
Epic Dope Party Cupcakes. Epic. EDP for short. What does ED stand for? I just told you. Epic Dope. It's extra sugar. Is what we sell. But the party. The party. The party.
Wow. Okay. Amazing.
All right. So many parties these days suffer. All types of parties. You would Cinco de Mayo being tomorrow? I wonder, how many parties are going to suffer for being not dope? I want to ensure for all people that with one phone call, their party can go from being lame to achieving epic dopeness. How do you do that? Well, you're imagine a non-dope party. Right? What would be better than having 3 of our own party bands with 3 things: music, cupcakes, and lights. Big lights. You could just order them to your driveway. People don't even have to be there. They would just congregate. Right? Kind of trap your cars in. See, the food truck business, it's a little oversaturated. But the food van business, that's an open door. Let's talk some numbers. One van, about $26,000, assuming you have a loan at a 10%, or a 10-year loan at a 7% interest, you're coming out to about $313 a month. For speakers, you have a sponsorship with Denver AV. You can ask more questions about that later. And you can get some really good party lights for about $30. Each cupcake we're going to charge for $3.45. A little bit more expensive, but when you're in that party atmosphere, if you're willing to pay more, when you go to the amusement park, you're willing to pay $13 for an evening straight night. The thing about our business is it's not just a product, it's also the service of the bands. So we're also charging a $90 an hour service fee for us just to come out. But you can also just order cupcakes just as a product if you don't want the whole experience. We'll have 2 employees. Let's say they're working standard 40-hour week at $12 an hour. For both those employees, that would cost us about $1,200 a month or $1,900 a month. So monthly expenses in total would be about $2,470. Everything else is pure profit.
Do I get to talk now?
Yes.
Alright, so marketing. I learned what that meant when I was 6. It's how you sell your product. And it's more of a service for us, but it's product's optional. So we're going to do social media, obviously, because that's what drives business nowadays, just to get out. Like, We're a Cafe has an Instagram account. I don't know if you have TikTok, because I don't have that. But that's how I myself have figured out a lot of your new drinks and your cake pop, right? And I don't know if the sales have. I knew it was when it was new. When it first came out, a lot of people asked for it. But the Warrior Cafe could use something new for a new product, and it would probably exceed current sales if you're still selling the cake pop. just because it's new and people would ask for it. That's kind of our main marketing.
Yeah. So any questions?
What's the name of your business again? Epic
Epic Dope Party Cupcakes.
Oh, party bacon instead of donut party.
EDPC.
EDPC.
Got it.
I like that. Okay. So you're selling them out of a van.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the concept.
Oh, in Washington D.C.
Oh,
if
yeah.
you guys have ever gone,
Yes.
they have like 20 food trucks lined up.
Yeah.
We did see.
And, yeah, they didn't sell much,
No.
so we could just park on the side of the road and just sell it off the back.
Yeah.
It's similar but a different look, and it might catch people off guard.
A bunch of food trucks, but I saw no vans.
Yeah, and
With
I
no
think it's a lot
lights.
more. I think it's a lot more
No
mobile
lights.
to be in a van versus a truck. It's like a truck.
True.
You have the counter, you have usually the awning outside, and a van you can just pack up, close the doors. And you're good.
Will you have like a logo on the van, or will it just be a regular van?
Well, the Denver AV logo is what's going to be plastered on there.
Okay.
On one side, and the other side is just Epic Dope Party Cupcakes.
Okay.
have all
So
the
it'll stand
lights.
out.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
You can tell.
Okay.
What a party
We'll
van
see
is.
it coming. Yeah. Okay.
And where are you going to be located mostly?
Where?
Yeah, like where are you going to be?
Philadelphia, because the football team's growing a lot.
Mhm.
Columbus, just because it's capital of the state we're in. And hopefully we're good.
Yeah.
Hours would just be school hours for the Warrior Cafe. And on weekends or for summer break, I think it was 10:30 to 5:30.
Was this just like chocolate cupcake with vanilla frosting?
Yeah.
Is that okay? Just want to make sure.
So you said you're going to do social media?
Yeah.
Are you going to bring the same type of energy?
Of course. Epic Dope Party Cupcakes.
You
can't sell out. You can't sell out.
It'll be.
Yeah.
You'll want to
Blow it
step back. It'll be.
Okay.
Doing what? Now, do you guys have any ideas for different kinds of cupcakes?
We did brownie flavored cupcakes. Student flavored brownies.
That's only one area that we're a little limited in.
Okay.
Yeah, hopefully a certain partnership will expand that.
Mm-hmm.
You got a question?
So, I would look up a the first thing to come up.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
else,
or I mean, we're still new.
what else would come up?
What do you think?
I would know.
So your sale price is $3.45.
$3.45
How much does it cost?
45 cents. Yeah.
45 cents.
Wow.
That's 45 cents per cupcake.
Yes.
Have you had anyone try your cupcakes besides us?
Well, I got some on my finger. And then through it.
Is
Yeah,
that the first time
okay.
that you tried your own cupcake?
This batch, yeah.
We've had to.
Who tried us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those two are back.
Yeah. Both my mom and my sister tried. Yeah.
Okay. Did they approve?
No. That was
Nice.
really good.
Approved. You got any more questions, Al?
Now, we talked about lights. Did you talk about the music that you would play? Or is it just
Just
lights
like-
and cupcakes?
Probably just mainstream music.
Except for
For the kids.
I'm
though,
assuming the driver would be the DJ.
Very cool. Did we talk about Demi Digital?
No.
That's my dad's company. He does all audio and video.
Oh, cool.
So all the speakers and lights would be free.
Nice.
He's my dad.
So he's probably helping
Would you
out.
have,
Yeah.
would you have to give him profit though?
No, because he's my dad.
You
That's
would-
awesome.
Okay. He's marketing
Did he
their
agree to
logo.
that?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's his dad.
Yeah, that's
down.
awesome. That's
And
a
we-
pretty good
We
deal.
market their logo as well.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
That's true.
So,
That's true.
Cool.
For the ovens and big supplies, my mom just got rid of a bunch of stuff.
Ah,
And
so it's
did my
free.
grandparents.
Nice.
So that's enough to cover 3 months. I love it.
Amazing.
I love my family too.
Interesting.
I don't have any more questions.
How do they taste?
They taste great. I love the frosting. It's good.
Love the party sprinkles.
Yes.
Parties.
Very. Good.
Yeah.